Hi everyone, today we will be testing the task in BlastCraft MVP. The task is add a new variable. The variable is company name and it also should be as a column in CSV. So here is my file. I added the third column company. I added some companies and I will save it now. I will save it as this file, and now I need to upload it here to check if it is working. Yes, it is working. Like, we have the field here, company, and all the companies are here. Also, I want to add manually, like, let's say some test email. Okay, it is adding. So, and now I want to add this list with companies. We'll be saving this list. They are saved. Okay, so we have my list with companies, and now I want to add okay, so already we can see here the company, and also here. Let's try to add. Okay, we can add them. Okay, and now I want to add my email and get this and add it to my text after the H1. Okay, and now we are adding it. Okay, we can see it here, but it is the dark mode. I don't need it. Okay, so we have this sentence, name and company. Okay, and it will be with companies. Okay, template was saved. We can see this template here, and what we will do next, we will add it with companies and with companies. Okay, so it was sent. You can see it in the reports 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It was sent successfully, and now we can see it here. Hello, Steve from Skynix. So it is working. It is adding the company variable. We can add it. We can add it in the email template, and also we can add it in the CSV file and manually as adding context. So we can close this task. It is working, and it is working correctly.